So Barb, welcome back to Howl-O-Scream. I know you've been one of our biggest fans for the longest time. Are you excited?
I am very excited. My favorite time of the year.
Well, I gotta say, getting you back in the Scream Cam rig, it's just another chance to watch you giggle and scream your way through another haunted house.
Oh, absolutely, and there's probably going to be a lot of screaming.
Well, especially in this house, because this is a brand new house. It is called Water Bayou, and the cool thing about this house is it actually features one of the 13. It's one of our 13 icons. It's the Voodoo Queen. Now, I know how savvy you are. I'm sure you've seen the Voodoo Queen either online or on the billboards, right?
Absolutely. I voted for one of those voodoo dolls. I have to say, quite honestly, she creeps me out.
Well, you're about to meet her. She's just inside this little shack behind me. Now, what she's going to try to do during the course of this run is she's going to try to convert you into one of her undead minions. So, are you ready to take on the Voodoo Queen?
I am as ready as I'll ever be.
Well, that's good, because we're going to be watching you through that little camera right there. Barb, welcome to Water Bayou.
All right. Okay.
Save yourself!
Okay. Nice welcome. Be very. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! They're everywhere. Oh, this house is great. I love the detail, but you're not going to be able to stop and see it because they are everywhere in here. Oh, see, there they are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! No!
Not do it! Barb!
Oh my God!
Your destiny awaits!
Oh my God! And they know me by name, and now here we are, and we're in the whirling vortex. And if you're not disoriented already, trust me, this is going to disorient you. Oh my God! Oh my God! Well, you will know which way to turn.
Pleased with you, Barb.
Oh my God! Oh my
She's
God!
gonna get you, Barb.
Oh my God!
You're
They're
not
following
safe
me.
here, Barb.
Whoa! And I'm walking into the
I
wall.
can save you, Barb.
Oh my God!
Go to the light,
Oh
Barb.
my God!
Go to the
Okay.
light.
All right, I am totally lost. This is awesome yet scary. I'm loving. Oh my God! I'm loving this house. Oh my God! And I'm scared to death. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, there's stuff all around. You can't see them. They just attack. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. This is great. Oh my God. Okay, this is a little calmer, a little lighter. Oh my God. But you still have to stay on high alert. And it looks like we've got a casket here. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Am I going the right way? Wait. Oh my.
Go forward into the darkness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Keep moving.
Oh my God. And look at all the jack-o'-lanterns. Okay, we're going to continue on up through the jack-o'-lanterns, and beware, there are living things in here, or possibly very undead things. Yes, very undead.
I got you now.
Oh God.
Barb.
Jeez. Oh God, you are not safe anywhere in this house. Oh my God, you are not safe anywhere in this house. Nowhere. Oh, this is so intense. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Barb!
Oh my God. That is such an intense house. My heart is going boom, 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 but I love it. I love it.
I can hear your heart beating over here.
I can believe it.
That's wonderful. Now, you realize this is only about half the house.
Oh, wow. I highly recommend this thing. People, you're going to be having a heart attack before you're even halfway through, let alone getting the whole way through.
Well, I have to say, Barb, the Voodoo Queen herself was very impressed, so she's going to give you back your voodoo doll. So she is now no longer in charge of your fate. It is you who is in charge of your fate.
Oh, thank goodness. I'll come back again for sure several times this season to thank her.
That's wonderful. And if you guys would like to come and join Barb, go to Howl-O-Scream.com. You can get your tickets, your upgrades, and everything else you need to know about Howl-O-Scream.
I'll see you all there.
Thank you.